So it hit me, some of you guys might not realize how easy it is to white label any of these tools inside of all of your sub-accounts. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So in this video here, you can see in subaccount, my subaccount, I've got a custom menu link called Tools, right? So here we've got all of our webhooks that we want to create, the event triggers, the contact buttons, funnel templates, DocuSign replacement, e-signatures, and then of course DNS helper. So in order to be able to do that, all you have to do is once you've linked your agency, just go over here to settings, okay, go to settings, and then you're going to go to links. Okay. One thing you're going to want to do first is make sure in your business info, change it to comms here. That's going to change the white labels. Put your agency name there. Okay, you're going to go to links and then just do this. So going to go add a link and just add the services that you want to add to this specific sub accounts. So e-signature. Right. We're going to drop this here. Now it's going to create a link, and then all you have to do is just take that custom menu link. It's probably going to be over on page 2. Yep, right there. Take the custom menu link, drop it in in your agency for the custom menus, the sub accounts you want to add it to, and instantly these tools will start working right away as long as your agency is linked. That's it. Have a great day.